In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Downloads folder on Windows 11. If you've ever saved a file from the web and then wondered where it went, this walkthrough is for you. Windows keeps most items you download, from browsers, email attachments, and many apps, in a dedicated place called the Downloads folder. I'll show you the quickest, most reliable way to get there, and how to comfortably look through what's inside. Start by pressing the Windows key and the letter E on your keyboard at the same time. This shortcut opens File Explorer, the built-in app that helps you browse files and folders on your computer. Think of File Explorer as your digital filing cabinet. It shows your main folders and drives and lets you move around your system with just a few clicks. Once File Explorer is open, look to the left-hand side for the navigation pane and click This PC. This section is a central hub that lists your primary folders, like desktop, documents, pictures, and of course, downloads, along with your device's drives. Clicking. This PC gives you a clean, straightforward view of where your personal folders live, which makes it easy to find downloads every time. Next, click Downloads. You'll see it listed among the standard folders. This is the default destination for most items you save from the internet. When you open it, you'll be looking at all the files that apps have placed there, typically organized by name or by date. Now it's time to view your downloaded files. Take a moment to scan the list. If you see thumbnail pictures, you're in an icon-based view. If you see rows with columns like name, date modified, and type, you're in a details view. Either way, you can sort what you're seeing to make items easier to find. For example, if you prefer to see your newest files first, sort by date so the most recent downloads float to the top. If you know the file's name, sorting by name puts everything in alphabetical order. You can also glance at file types to tell documents, images, installers, and compressed archives apart at a glance. As you browse, notice the address bar at the top of File Explorer. It confirms you're in This PC Downloads, which is helpful if you're ever unsure where you are. If your Downloads folder looks different than you remember, don't worry. Some apps choose their own save locations, but most web downloads will appear here by default. That's all there is to it. With File Explorer open, This PC selected, and Downloads clicked, you're exactly where your recently saved files live. Happy organizing!